The replace function can be used to search for words, a particular word, and then replace it within your document. Even if there are so many of them, you can also replace all of them at once. The function is found here under the home banner, and then you go where it says editing there, and then you click replace. Once you do that, you make use of the function here, find what. We want to find the word farm and replace it with the word plot. So in my document, there are several words named farm. Before we do this, let me just show you where the words are. So what we do is we use the find function and use the word farm. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 instances of the word farm. And we want to replace that word farm with the word plot. So replace with. Before you do that, just make use of the search criteria, match case, and find words only. Why? Because we might not want to replace words that contain the word farm. Like, for example, farming. We don't want to change those. We want the exact word farm. Change it with the word plot. So it helps you to filter out words that you don't want. So there are two functions that you can use here. First of all, you can use the replace all function. It will find every word that matches and replaces it. Let's use that first. So I'm just going to click replace all. And as you can see, there are 6 replacements made. How do we know that this is correct? Let's just go here and look for the word farm. As you can see, the word farm is not being found. But let's look for the word plot. You see, we have 6 results as it shows here. All the words have been changed. What if you don't want to change all of them at once and you want to find each area that you want to change? You can actually do that by searching through the document, still using the replace function. Let's just revert to where we had the word farm. So for that function to work, what we need to do is then to click the word find next. After clicking that button, it then shows you the first word farm. If I want to ignore that, I simply click find next, and I want to change that to plot. I just click replace, so it's changed. The next farm has been found over here. I want to ignore it. I want the next one and replace it with the word plot. So we only have 2 replacements now. So once you do that, you click close. So you can actually search through your document and change several words to the one that you want using this replace function. So that's how you do it in Microsoft Word.